story. You're the good witch, right? And you are... okay. We're all set here. Thank you. So this is the first Halloween party here since COVID. Woo! And it's a fundraiser for the animal shelter. We have Willie Nelson, a beaver, and a sexy cat. Wonderful. I'm gonna just pan around a little bit. Video, hi. We got Elvis in the house.
Happy Halloween!
Yes. Hi! Let me see you. Wow! Awesome! Oh my goodness, look how beautiful this place is. We have come today to the Beckoning Path in Armonk, New York for a little mini yoga retreat. And we have a couple classes going on. We just got here and this place is magnificent. I didn't even get to see the inside yet, but I will show you more as the day goes on. Oh my God, I want to move in. Look at this.
Best Things designed this house, and it was actually put together in Europe, taken down, brought back, and re-erected.
Wow.
And during renovation, I took down the first wall, and there was actually the address where everything had originally come from, which is pretty cool. It's somewhere out in Scandinavia. But either way, we pretty much changed almost everything. Took all the walls down, opened up the spaces, and now it is what you're going to see today.
All right. Oh,
Yeah, Himalayan salt that we cut into small little blocks.
Wow.
That's why I feel like out of my head. I love this place. I know. Watch your step here. You're going to bring this. Is this amazing? Is this spectacular?
Unbelievable.
Reed was a student of
Can you imagine waking up to that scene? The view to the lake is so,
yeah.
so nice. Wow.
Underground, the rest is exposed, but under here it's all surrounded by rock. It feels extra quiet in here to me.
Yeah. Yeah.
Like you're protected.
Now we know why you smile.
I didn't even realize it.
But this was makes it open floor plan.
Time in this amazing place and practicing yoga together. Thank you all for making it come true. I really appreciate that.
Benefited. Okay? Keep your hand beside your body now. Relaxing. You are relaxing now. Relax your feet even.
Sorry about the flip-flops. Okay. Oh my God, look at this place. This is magnificent. Are we loving this so far, ladies and gentlemen?
It's beautiful.
This is Luann Smith and her book, A Peaceful Start. And how do we order that if we'd like to get it?
LuannSmith.com.
Excellent. Thank you.